So far you have seen what are keywords and what are identifiers in Python programming. In this video I will discuss what are comments in Python programming. Comments are used to explain a code, or if you want to exclude the set of lines code from the execution, you will be using a comments. There are two types of comments. One is single line comment, second one is multi-line comment. Single line comment can be done by using a hash symbol, and a multi-line comment can be done by using a three double quotes. Inside the three double quotes you can specify the multiple lines of code. Let's look at the examples for the single line comment and multi-line comment. I will create a new Python file 02 comments.py. So I will go to the hello.py file. Simply I will copy this printing text line and I'll paste it in the comments.py file. So right now I have only one line of code. Similarly, let's add another two lines of code. Then we will update the text which we are printing in the console. So here I'll say, hi, welcome to tester stock, and in the second print function, so we are printing the hello, welcome to tester stock YouTube channel, and in the third line we are printing just welcome to tester stock YouTube channel. So let's run this Python program. So it should print all the three text. So by using the Python 3 command, I'm running the Python program. And if you see here, we are able to print all the text, right? So we are able to run the Python program. Now we will see how to comment the single line. You can comment any line in the Python file by using a hash symbol. So this will be used to comment the only single line. If you see here, so this is turned into the green color. So if I run the Python file once again, or a Python program once again, so this time only two print functions got executed, right? So if you see here we have executed it, and it is just printing the hi, welcome to tester stock YouTube channel, and it is skipping the line number 3, and then it is printing the welcome to tester stock YouTube channel text, right? So like this you can comment the single line. Now let's comment a multi-line. So I will remove this hash symbol. You can comment the multiple lines in the Python file by using a three double quotes. Inside this you can add the code. So I don't want to run the line number 5 and 6. So simply I'll cut these two lines and I'll put it inside the doc string. I'll save the file and let's run the Python program. And if you see here, so after running it, now only line number 7 is getting executed, and here you can see the text is being displayed as welcome to tester stock YouTube channel only. So these two lines are excluding from the Python program execution. So this is how you can comment the single line and multiple lines in the Python.